The CLYMENE Kids Fridge Lock Gray offers a simple solution. It helps keep your refrigerator and freezer doors securely closed. This is especially helpful if you have curious kids at home. You won't need any tools to install it, and the process is very easy. Just peel and stick. This lock acts like a steadfast guard for your food. It prevents little hands from constantly opening the fridge. This can save energy and keep your veggies fresh. The design of the CLYMENE Kids Fridge Lock Gray is quite practical. It's a neutral gray color, so it likely won't clash with most kitchen styles. You just need to make sure the surface is clean before you stick it on. Think of it as a gentle but firm reminder for little ones. They will look but won't be able to easily get inside. This simple device can give parents some extra peace of mind. It helps ensure the fridge stays closed when it should. Overall, the CLYMENE Kids Fridge Lock Gray seems like a useful product. It's designed with simplicity and effectiveness in mind. If you are looking for a straightforward way to childproof your fridge or freezer, this could be it. It's not a complicated computer or something you'd find in different departments. It's just a helpful lock that does its job. It offers a bit more care for your peace of mind without any fuss. Pros: childproof, easy for adults, one-hand operation, self-locking, no tools needed, easy install. Keeps door closed, stops toddlers, stops pets, prevents air leaks. Cons: adhesive may not stick well, might need extra glue, could be inconvenient for busy use, not for pets that can still open it, may not suit fancy fridges, removal of stickers can be tricky. Replacement stickers might be needed, not mentioned for freezer drawers specifically. Effectiveness relies on adhesive strength, only in gray. Initially specified color features. For fridge, freezer, keeps doors closed, childproof lock, easy to install, no tools needed, one-hand open. Auto snaps shut, works on most fridges. 3M tape install, gray color. This gray CLYMENE lock helps keep your fridge or freezer doors shut. It's made to stop kids from opening them. You don't need any tools to put it on. It's easy to stick with 3M tape. You can open it with one hand, and it closes on its own. It should work on most fridges. This gray CLYMENE lock helps keep fridge and freezer doors shut to stop kids and pets from opening them, and to prevent air leaks. It's easy for adults to use with one hand and locks on its own. You don't need any tools to put it on because it uses stickers. However, the stickers might not stick well for everyone, and taking them off later could be hard. It might also not work for all types of fridges or for very strong pets.